If your dentist tells you that you grind your teeth, most likely they'll recommend a night guard. I know dentists who hand these things out like candy, but let me explain why this is dangerous. In the vast majority of cases, grinding is found alongside sleep apnea. So much so that back in 2018, the American Academy of Prosthodontists recommended that all patients be screened for sleep apnea before making them a night guard, because the typical night guard can actually make underlying sleep breathing issues worse. So if your dentist tells you that you're grinding your teeth, or you wake up with sore teeth or jaws from a grinding all night, a sleep test is an easy and effective way to rule out any sleep breathing issues before you slap that big old piece of plastic in your mouth.